Hi, in today's video I'm going to talk about Bloom's taxonomy. So I first need to acknowledge what a taxonomy is, because if we don't know what a taxonomy is, we probably won't remember, or we won't really understand what the Bloom's taxonomy is all about. So first, a taxonomy is a system for classifying and organizing things into categories. It usually comes in a hierarchy, or sometimes it just goes from specific and complex categories, or sometimes broader to simpler categories. It's normally related to biology and how living things are organized. For example, kingdom, class, order, family. But when we talk about Bloom's taxonomy, it talks about learning. It is the process of learning and how it's ranked. For example, from simpler cognitive processes to more complex ones. So this is what it explains the Bloom's taxonomy. So we first are gonna know what are the levels of the Bloom's taxonomy. First, we need to remember, this is about recalling facts without understanding something. It doesn't really matter if you understand something or not, we just need you to remember something. Then here we can memorize, and we start decoding information that we know before from remembering. We understand something to a deeper level, and then we have apply. Here we apply what we know. After we understand something, we apply it. Since we understand even more complex concepts, we can now apply our knowledge, and with this we can move to the next level, which is breaking information into parts and examine how they relate. Then we can evaluate, we compare, we critique, and we judge from our experience to evaluate critically and without bias. On level 6, we can create something. This also applies if we have something we want to work on, or if we want to make a new business. We need to know we have already learned, we have understood, applied, and analyzed the situation, and then we can finally come to the last step, which is creating. We can design a name, we can design a slogan, and the logo we want to have, and this is all about Bloom's taxonomy. It was developed by Benjamin Bloom, that's why the name is Bloom's taxonomy, and it was in 1956. It now serves as the backbone of many things combined all together, like philosophies and learning methods, and it's really useful today. There are also critiques of the taxonomy that are saying that there's truly sequential hierarchy, a link between each level, that it shouldn't be like that. But if it's useful to you, I think we can use it for our learning methods and for the students in the English subject.